You've tuned into The Mountain Gardener with your host, Ken Lain. Gardening, it can be challenging, but with these simple insider tips, you'll reap huge rewards. Now, let's tune into today's Mountain Gardener with Ken and Lisa. It's kind of funny. Back in the day, I was a marketing manager for Equifax. It's a big banking, credit reporting, kind of like huge territories, lots of reps, cold called like crazy. So we don't have those as much anymore. What we have anymore is social media managers. So social media is such a big thing. Magazines is back with magazines, TV ads, big golfing events. These were big social gatherings. What I used to get paid to do, it was actually a pretty good job. My expense report was probably bigger than I make now. Is pretty good with big companies, all the perks. Now we have social media managers. And what came to light was, so we've got a pretty sophisticated team of social, very high-end social media editors, posters, creators, graphic artists that work for Waters Garden Centers. 4 of us, we do this work. So we write garden columns, we create videos, and it's usually out in my gardens. But what came to mind was my Prescott Frontier Rotary Club. We've got a big event called Grapes for Good in September. They're planning on it right now. So I give them my garden center. It's free. I let them use it to raise money for the kids, for the schools. So they do a math and reading clinic. They have Prescott Frontier Rotary Math and Reading Clinic. They have Prescott Frontier Rotary Scholarship at Yavapai College. They've got Imagination Library. They partnered with Dolly Partner. They launched it here. So every kid under the age of 5 gets a book every month of their life until they reach 5. They're going to build a library. It's going to be a game changer to get kids to read and interact and get off those doggone technical devices. An actual book they get to sit down with mom and dad and read, or aunt and uncle or grandparents. It's powerful. They're funding this stuff, and this is the event they use to do that. Well, I've always been the marketing guy for that event. For 19 years, I've been the marketing. But now they've got all these active retirees that created all the social media that we know today. They're geniuses. They're creating stuff out of thin air, and they're posting on social media. It's amazing. It's tremendous to have talent like that in our own community, with the time to use the talents. Before, they didn't have time because they were getting paid to do this. Now they're making money. Now they've made their money. They come back, they retire, and now they can give back in such a huge way. I am so honored to kind of promote this Grapes for Good this year, 2025 Grapes for Good. It's going to be a fun event. If you've not, just type in Grapes for Good, it will show up. It's the best garden party you'll ever see. I load up the garden center with beautiful plants and invite the community to come and give back to raise money for the schools. I mean, that's pretty much it. And so the food is good. Barbe is with Torme's and Gato Azul. He's just the best chef in town. He caters this out of his heart every year. I give the facility out of my heart. Every year we do such good. So the sponsor, Dignity Health, I think the new CASA group are major sponsors this year. So those are the ones that come up. If I missed you, I apologize. I didn't mean to go out. I was meant to mention social media managers and how important they are and how game changer. If you want to see my gardens, my live gardens, tune in to Waters Garden Centers, any social media you use, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, Feed, X, we're famous on that. We're posting every day a garden advice. We have a lunchtime special. We know you're stressed. We post something beautiful at lunchtime just so you can look at your feed and be inspired. That's what we want. And so follow us at Waters Garden Center. You'll find us. You know how to get to us. But throughout the week, Lisa and I love talking to gardeners here at the Garden Center, especially if you're fans of the show.
Butterflies bring magic to the garden, and attracting those winged wonders is easy with Waters' Butterfly Plant Collection.
Waters specializes in local plants and knows exactly which plants butterflies adore.
We create a natural, safe, and organic space for you and your beautiful butterflies.
Visit Waters Garden Center at 1815 Iron Springs Road in Prescott.
Or online at watersgardencenter.com.
Smell the flowers that butterflies love and turn gardens into a butterfly paradise. For a more fruitful garden, increase success in the landscape that just feels better, then tune in daily to the Mountain Gardener podcast. Subscribe through your favorite podcast streamer or visit watersgardencenter.com. Better yet, visit me directly right here at Waters Garden Center. Thanks for tuning in.